Bristol County's top prosecutor says he's fighting a judge's decision in a child rape case against a former Dartmouth police officer.
The judge dismissed the conviction against Sean Souza late last year, ruling there should have been a separate trial for each victim. Kate Wilkinson talked to the district attorney today and tells us what he had to say.
Yeah, Sean Souza was originally sentenced to 10 to 15 years in prison back in October, but he was released after the judge who presided over the case called for a new trial.
Bristol County District Attorney Thomas Quinn is demanding the state appeals court uphold the jury's guilty verdict on behalf of 2 child rape victims.
It's baffling, it's very unsettling, and very disturbing to see the process operate this way.
Prosecutors say one of the victims was as young as 6 when he started repeatedly raping her in 2011. The other, a 15-year-old, accused then Officer Sean Souza of molesting her in 2013. Originally, Quinn says the 2 cases were separate, with the youngest case ending in a mistrial in 2022. Quinn says Judge Thomas McGuire then allowed for the 2 victims' cases to be heard in one trial.
And then the new judge sat on the trial. That wasn't raised, my understanding, that wasn't raised by the defense. If she felt that it was prejudicial, she could have kept it out before the trial, but that's not what happened.
In October, the new jury found Souza guilty on 4 different child rape charges. Both victims gave a victim impact statement at sentencing.
I've learned that speaking out is not just about my healing, it's about helping others find their own courage to stand up and tell their stories too.
I want to ensure that no one else has to experience the pain that we face.
But in December, Judge Susan Sullivan, who presided over last fall's trial, wrote, Souza is entitled to a new trial on all indictments, with the indictments involving victim 1 to be tried separately from the indictment involving victim 2.
Very distressing to the victim and her family, who have now been through 2 trials and face, the potential of a 3rd trial.
It's been nearly 6 years since Souza was charged. His attorney, Kevin Reddington, denied the charges at Souza's bail hearing in 2019.
The guy is a military veteran, combat veteran, respected police officer. His life was just excellent, and now he's got to deal with this.
We reached out to Reddington for comment but did not hear back. Souza's case is scheduled to be back in court tomorrow morning for a status conference. He was formally terminated from the police department in 2023. Live in the studio, Kate Wilkinson, 12 News.